Hey guys, welcome to this video. So recently the Nigerian banks further reduced our international spending limit to $20 and $50, and this is actually very frustrating if you are someone that is actually buying softwares or tools or products from the international market just to run your business down here. Okay, this shows that most of these institutions don't really care about what happens in our businesses while taking their decisions and policies. All right, so what I'm going to be doing in this video is to actually provide you guys some ways whereby you can actually still make payments to the international market without having those crazy limits to stop you from doing that. All right, now I'm going to be sharing with you guys 4 ways whereby you can actually make payments to the international market. Now, 2 of those ways are actually going to be using your physical cards, just like this one that I have right here, and also using what we know as visual cards, okay, that you can create online and use it to make payment to the international market so that you keep on running your business or doing your transactions with ease. All right, so let's head straight in the video, and I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to create these cards and how you can be able to use them to make payment online. And another thing is that what I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video will also help you to be able to create foreign bank accounts right here in Nigeria so that you can actually have some of your funds, out there, so that you can enable you to be able to make payments with ease to your customers or to your suppliers, or no matter the business that you are trying to do. Or if you are someone that is trying to buy products from Amazon or trying to buy products from Alibaba or AliExpress or most of these international sites. All right, so these strategies I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video works very well, so do well to watch this video to the end so that you are going to see how you can be able to do that. And also please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also click the bell notification button so that you are going to stay updated once I go ahead to keep sharing this type of awesome information with you guys. So the first card I'm going to be discussing with you guys here, or I will be sharing with you guys, is to go and get a dollar card from your bank. Go and get a dollar debit card from your bank. All right, so the one I'm holding right here is from Zenith Bank, and this card, I believe I can be able to spend up to $5,000 per month just by using this particular card that I have right here. Okay, so all you have to do is just to go to your bank. It mustn't be Zenith Bank, but one thing I like about Zenith Bank is that they allowed me to be able to link this card with my Naira account so that I can be able to process the whole payment from one account or from one app. All right, so you can go well and go and tell your bank that you actually need a dollar card that you will using to be making online transaction, and they are going to help you to get a dollar card. And I think the requirements of getting a dollar card is that you need to have a domiciliary account. All right, so once you have a domiciliary account, you can easily request for this dollar debit card and they are going to give it to you, and I believe you can be able to make payments upwards of $5,000 and above using this particular card that I have right here. Okay, and the second card you can actually go ahead and get is this Pioneer MasterCard. All right, this Pioneer MasterCard is almost accepted everywhere that you can use MasterCard on. All right, now you can actually use this stuff to pay your suppliers on Alibaba. You can actually use this stuff to buy products on most of these international websites, okay, without most of this limit holding you back. All right, so to be able to get this Pioneer card, the first thing that you have to do is that you have to create a Pioneer account. All right, so here is a new Pioneer account I created, and I showed you guys how I was able to do that. So all you have to do, if you go over to YouTube right now and just do a simple search of Martin EO Pioneer, all right, now you are going to see my video that I created on how you can be able to go and create a Pioneer account. So this is the particular video that is going to show you how you can be able to create these accounts that you are seeing right here, because it's when you have this account that you can now go ahead and request for a card like this that you can use to make payments online. Okay, so once you are done creating your account, what you have to do, once you are done following this video that I have right here to create your account, the next thing that you have to do is to go and receive payment. Okay, because you have to receive payment on this account, and I'm going to show you how you can receive payment on this account. Okay, now because if you go straight to request a Pioneer card, all right, so if you go to settings and click on Pioneer cards that you want to request for this card, now you are going to receive a message like this. All right, now it's going to show you that you will be able to order a Pioneer card once you have received payments of at least $2,000, all right, or equivalent to your account in the previous 6 months. Now This is a new account that I just created using this video that I showed you guys here. So that's why you cannot be able to create a Payoneer account if you have received less than $2,000 in the past 6 months. Okay, so the best way for you to actually get Payoneer funds is by working on platforms just like Fiverr or Legit, delivering digital skills or services to customers, and they pay you direct to your Payoneer account. All right, or you can actually do affiliate marketing on ClickBank and show that when they pay you money on your Payoneer account, you can have your Payoneer funds right here. Okay, but let's say that you don't know how to do any of these skills and you need to fund your Payoneer account. Okay, you need to fund your Payoneer account so that you can be able to request for this card to use to make payment. Okay, now for example, let's say that you are someone that is actually trying to pay suppliers on Alibaba using your Payoneer. Okay, now the best way for you to get Payoneer funds, there are so many websites that are putting out there that they are buying Payoneer funds and selling Payoneer funds, but most of them are not trusted. The best way for you to actually get Payoneer funds is to go over on Facebook and actually create a post on your timeline and tell people that you are looking to buy Payoneer funds. Ask your friends to recommend you to a legit seller. All right, so there are individual guys that are on their own that also sell Payoneer funds. They also buy and they also sell Payoneer funds. All right, and I believe is that if you post it here, one of your friends might know these guys, or one of your friends, most of us has up to 1,000 people on Facebook, and one of your friends might be able to know these guys, and your friend is going to recommend a trusted person that he himself also knows, so that you can be able to deal with the person and get the person to send you some Payoneer funds to your account. All the person needs is just your email address you use on creating this account, and they can be able to send you your own funds. And once your funds has arrived here and you are able to get up to $2,000 of funds right here, okay, you can now go ahead and request for this Payoneer card. It's very easy. It will help you to be able to make any payment that you want to make. It will help you to make most of the payment that you actually want to make online. All right, so that's actually the second way. Now I know this is going to be very, very difficult because some of you don't know how you can easily get $2,000. All right, now that's where I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to create visual accounts to be able to get their cards and also make payments. All right, but before I will do that, if you have a Payoneer account, because I talked about creating a foreign bank account. All right, now Payoneer can also help you to create a foreign bank account, a US bank account, or a UK bank account. So if I go right here to my global payment services, all right, now you are going to see some of the accounts that I have right here. Okay, so as you can see, I have a UK account right here, and I also have a US account. So I can actually send this account to someone outside the country or to anybody, and once the person make payment to this account, is going to arrive to my Payoneer. All right, so this is what is actually going to help you to create a foreign bank account. So what you have to do, like I said earlier, is to first of all go and watch this video and learn how you can be able to create this account. It's going to be very, very helpful to you. All right, now once you have done this one, or maybe this one is not the one that you can actually do, now let me proceed and show you guys how you can actually make payment to the international market using visual account without any limit, and the best ones for you to actually go with depending on some factors. All right, in order to get the visual cards that you are going to be using to make payment on most of these international markets without all these limitations that Nigerian banks are placing on their Naira card, all you have to do is just to go to your app store if you are using an iOS device, or go to Play Store if you are using an Android device. Just search for Barter by Flutterwave. Now I'm going to be showing you guys two ways you can actually be doing this, but the reason why I'm going to start with this one is to show you guys the rate that these guys are charging, so that you can be able to make a more informed decisions when you are trying to choose any of this stuff I'm going to show you. So if you open this thing right here, if you have not installed the app, it's going to show you to install right here, but I'm going to open it since I've already installed the app on my iPhone, right? So the next thing I have to do is to go and create an account. Now I already have an account, but if you don't have an account, come here and put your email address and phone number, and these guys are going to create your account very quickly. All right, so because I'm going to go ahead and log in right now and continue with this particular stuff. Now once I log in, I'm going to show you guys the transaction I've actually done with these guys to show you guys that I've been using these guys a lot when the $100 ban stuff started, so that I can be able to make payments on the stuff that I'm doing right here. Okay, so this is actually a visual card that I'm having here. So as you can see right here, I have a balance of 1.2 cent dollars. Okay, I have a dollar of up to $1 right here on my balance row. If I click on my dollar card, now you are going to see some of the stuff that I've actually done with this card. Okay, I've used this card to make lots and lots of payments. Okay, now if I want to fund this card, but for you, the first thing that you have to do is to go and create card. All right, so all you have to do is to go and click on this new card and create a card, then go ahead and create your dollar card so that you can be able to follow up with this tutorial. Right now, if I click on fund this card right here and I put $1, now you are going to see that these guys are actually going to charge me 584 naira for $1, which is very high. Okay, so that's why I decided to show you guys this first one before I show you guys the second app that you can actually use to get your visual card and also make international payment without those limits that Nigerian banks are placing. All right, so this is very too high, and that's why I even stopped using them for some time right now. Okay, so this shows you that their exchange rate is very high. Okay, so that's what brings us to the second app that you are going to use to do this. So what you have to do is to go back to your app store and search for this particular app known as Clasher, right? So if you search for Clasher app, now you are going to see the app right here. Okay, so it's asking me to update it, but your own is going to show you to install. All right, now let me go to my app and show you the app right here and how you can actually use it. Okay, so here is the Clasher app, right? So if you go and open this card, just go ahead and create your account and go ahead and also, you know, create your card. So let me quickly log in right now, and I'm going to show you guys the why I choose this particular app more than the better one. All right, so with this particular one right here, all I have to do is just go to your cards, right? So if you don't have a card, you can simply go and create a visual dollar card. You are seeing it right here. So go ahead and click on create a visual dollar card. Then you are actually going to enter your preferred name, which I will encourage you to put your real name right here and actually confirm, so that this thing is going to create your own card. All right, so since I already have my own card right here with a balance of $1, now if I click on fund card right here, now you can see that if I put I want to fund only $1, now this card is going to charge me 565 naira 79 kobo. All right, more than just like, but this one right here is charging me 584. So it shows that these people are charging more, which is better, is charging more than Clasher, and that's why I decided to show you guys this particular one, so that because this one is very easy for you guys to use and it's very cheap. All right, so and the card that they are going to give you is virtually the same thing with the one that Bata is going to give you, and anywhere that Bata card is accepted, this Clasher card is also accepted, and you can use it to make payment on the international market. As you can see, if you are looking to use it to pay for Apple Music, Spotify, or for Netflix, now you can actually go ahead and click here, and they are going to show you how you can be able to use that to do all that. And there is something I also remembered for those, some of you that are going to be requesting for the dollar card from the Nigerian bank to fund your dollar is also very easy. You already know how you can do that. You can go to most of these Bureau de Change guys or those Abokis and buy dollar from them, and they are going to fund your account so that you can use it to make payments. But I will also advise you to go and check out most of these visual cards. You can easily use these visual cards to make payments in most of these platforms. And another thing I'm going to recommend you guys is to make sure to check out that Payoneer. Register on Payoneer. Payoneer is a very great platform that is going to enable you to even make payments and also receive international payments down to your local bank account here in Nigeria. So guys, this is exactly how you can actually go out there and get cards that can enable you to make those payments without any limitation. All right, cards that will enable you to make international payment without any limitation. All right, now if you have any questions or if you have any confusion, you can do well to rewatch this video or drop in the comment section, and I'm going to respond to your questions. All right, now if you find this video valuable, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell notification button. All right, now don't forget to share this video with any of your loved ones or anybody that you know that is going to find this video valuable. All right, so that we can help more people to come up from that problem of not knowing how they can be able to make payment to the international market, or how they can be able to pay for the services or their goods or anything that they are doing in the international market. Okay, this is a very, very crazy time, and I believe that if they follow this process that I just showed you guys in this video, they can be able to sort out themselves and be able to continue doing their business with ease. Thank you guys for watching this video. Love you guys, and see you guys in my next video.